Hello everyone, welcome to this lesson. In this lesson, I'm gonna test you by giving you a few challenges that you need to do for the Annotate tool. So without any further ado, let's get straight into it. As you can see, I'm in a new project. The first challenge that you need to do is you need to draw a circle around the cube using the Annotate tool. I'm gonna give you 10 seconds to do that. Okay, 10 seconds is done. Did you do it? Great job if you did. And even if you did, I'm gonna show you how to do that. So, over here, first, you need to select the Annotate tool in the toolbar. So just go in the toolbar and you can see this pencil. It's actually the Annotate tool. So just click. Now you need to draw a circle around the cube, this over here. So let's draw it. So just draw your best, okay? Just try your best, yeah? Even if you draw a really bad circle, it's still good, okay? Because you at least tried, okay? So now you can see I've drawn a rough circle over here. But if you had drawn a better circle or even just a circle, give yourself a pat in the back because that is really good, okay? The second challenge that you need to do is you need to create a square around the cube and then change the color of the annotation to red. Now, I'm gonna give you 10 seconds to do it now. 10 seconds is done. Did you do it? Great job if you did. And even if you didn't, I'm gonna show you how to do it right now. So the way to do it is first just select your Annotate tool over here and then just hold on that and then you can see Annotate polygon. Just select that and then just create a rough square around the cube. You can create a rough one or a really good one, okay? Try creating a better one than me. So just click, click and click. Now, what was the last step? Changing the color of it to red. Now you can change the color of it right over here. So just change that, click on it and change it to red. So I'm just gonna bring it down, make it more up and you can see now the Annotate is visible. It's really visible, right? It's in a red color. That is so cool. Okay, if you did this, give yourself a pat in the back for that great work. Okay, it is really good. Keep up the good work. Now your third and final challenge that you need to do is you need to first delete the cube, add a cylinder and then change the thickness of the annotation to 10 pixels. Draw a star around it and now I'm gonna give you 10 seconds to do that. 10 seconds is done. Did you do it? Great job if you did. And even if you did, I'm gonna show you how to do that right now. So first, let's delete the cube and then click Shift A in your keyboard and then just add a cylinder. You can see cylinder over here. Just add that and go to the annotation tool and then change the thickness of it to 10. So 10 and then just draw a star around it. So just try and draw the best star you can. That's my star. It looks pretty okay. If you made a star better than me, that's really good. Even if you didn't make one, at least you tried. Give yourself a pat in the back for that great work, okay? If you did it, really good, okay? Keep up the good job. So that's it for this lesson. I will see you in my next lesson.